up like that. Oh my God. I hope they have good insurance.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
All right. See ya. Hey, how are you?
Morning.
Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah, we don't have the doorbell.
Yeah, you
How you doing? Yossi.
Good, Mike.
Hey, how are you?
Pleasure.
Cool, let me show you the problem.
Yeah,
so
please.
basically this guy came. A different guy.
A guy.
Different company.
Okay.
He did the smart home installations and it worked for the AC.
Okay.
He fucked up my heat. There's
Okay.
3 different zones in the house, 2 downstairs, 1 upstairs.
Hot water heating, baseboard, things like that?
Yeah,
Steam?
the
Okay.
baseboard stuff. And he fucked them up by doing this, and then he realized that
Doesn't work.
Doesn't work because you need another
See why.
power cord.
Yes.
Yeah. So either we do that and fix it properly, which is probably a bit of a mission, I think.
Could be.
Or we just put the old ones back on.
Okay.
And I don't. But the problem is, this is the kicker. We threw them out. So I don't even have the old ones.
You have any ones I can put in?
No.
Okay, I have.
So that's the thing. So either we put the old school ones back on with the battery operated and just get it back working again. I don't want to be doing this when it's like freezing cold in
Yes.
2 weeks' time.
So
or a
how
month.
many do you need?
3. So
Okay. Let
Yeah.
me see if I have 3 in the truck. I don't know if
Yeah.
I have 3. I can
Otherwise-
get, and they'll bring it to me. My office will bring it to me, but
yeah.
okay.
Anyway,
or
so
I
that's-
can come back and get 3. I mean, it's fine.
or whatever
Okay.
it is. I mean, or I can order them on Amazon
Okay.
for $25.
Yeah.
But
Well,
whatever.
if you want, you can do that too. If it mine are 147, but they're very good thermostats.
140 each.
Yes, 47 each.
147.
Each. Yeah.
Oh.
It's also a very good thermostat.
Oh.
So if you want to buy Amazon thermostats, I have
Yeah.
no problem coming back and putting that in.
If you have all, fuck, $500. But to be honest with you, I almost just want to get it done because I don't want to be stuck with in the last.
Entirely
day.
up to you. But a word of advice: when we do come back, I want to show you something. While I was waiting for you to open the door, what's up with your dryer vent?
You do that as well.
Yeah, you have good homeowners insurance.
Why is that? You think
Yeah, it's a fire hazard.
Yeah.
Look how bad it is. It's horrible. Like,
Yeah.
look at this.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad. Oh no. Someone obviously had no idea how to use those plastic mollies. Pathetic. W and RH. All right, single transformer system. We're going to keep that jumper wire uncut and undisturbed. RCRH. Okay. 10:16 on Friday.
Oh, but what about Amazon?
Ya, no nothing, no sé. Ya, pero el otro día, no, mira, ya no Amazon. Natalie, le dice yo.
Okay.
Ya,
Heat.
Cloro, para show de chorar.
Click. Let's go see if the boiler's on. All right, so I see the green light on the Takeo switching relay, but I do not see a red light. Let's see if I can get in there. What did they do here? What did they do? They just made it very, very complicated. That's what they did. All right. So we ripped out all that garbage. The blue and the yellow is one zone, and that just went to TT or R and W on those stupid things on the floor. And so that's R and W, that's R and W, and this is also R and W. Now I just put one new thermostat on the wall in the living room, and that's the blue and the yellow wire for a zone, and I got 1 in 3 chance of getting it right. So let's let's connect those wires to zone 1 and see what happens. That says main floor. That says apartment heat. That one says second floor. That main floor, I follow the wire, it goes to zone 1, which is on zone 1 right now. So I got 1 out of 3 correct, so I'm batting a .33. Okay, let's go replace 2 more thermostats and get the show on the road. All right, we got heat there. So obviously that the thermostat that's labeled first floor or main floor is actually the second floor. So if you go downstairs, see, these are all cold. All right, so I'm back at the boiler room. Obviously the main heat, which is hot, cold, and cold. Obviously main heat is not that, and number 3 is probably our main floor, and the covers are just wrong. So awesome job with the thermal imaging camera. Awesome. This is the E2. All right, so we knew that the zone that we thought was main zone, which we had on 1, which was the blue and the yellow wire, right? So that's actually the first floor, and I could tell that this 1-inch line off this circ, that's got to be for the main zone, and we'll double check that with the thermal imaging camera. So that made the thermostat I just put on the wall into the apartment, which was this red and the white wire. Well, that's got to go on zone 1, right? And the other one, which we didn't do, because zone 1 had power continuity there, so we know that was the apartment zone on the first floor, and then that left the remaining wire, the red and the white wire, our second floor zone. And that's how easy it is. We had 3 zones. We had the wrong heat in the wrong zone with 1 thermostat on the wire. We added another thermostat, and we knew what continuity was for that, and process of elimination, the 3rd zone is zone 2. Start maybe just pick up a little bit right there. A little bit. There you go. See, getting warm right before our eyes. See that? See that? Beautiful. Okay, let's check in here. Yep, here we go. And upstairs. Ooh, a little lag right there. Nope. And now behind this couch is another piece of fin tube baseboard that's also getting warm. And back to this one. Toasty. All right, 1 more thermostat to go. This was that one we just installed. Let's turn this to off. Beautiful. All right, here's that last thermostat. Oh no, this is HVAC. This is air conditioning. So not this one. Let's go find the other one. Red and the white. RH. What? They gave it R and C. Whatever. Maybe it's like a wireless control, they thought. Or maybe they really had no idea what they were doing. Hi, Peter. Hi. Do the honors. All right. Let's turn the heat on. Click.
Do something nasty.
Sure. Hold on, it gets better. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, Lord. That's just epic. You know, I asked him, do you change your filter? He goes, yeah, I change my filters. I'm like, how often? Like once every 5 years? He looked at me like, you mother effer. But it changes that one.
This one?
That one there. You know why this one is filthy? And it's because it's on the staircase here. And how are you gonna get a ladder up there to change that? Let's see, actually. Can we? You can reach it, but it swings open. Imagine you go to reach and you go like, ah!